Hello students, let's solve this math question which says the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. This question is from class 8 math book exercise 2.2 and it's question number 7. So let's start solving the question. The question says the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. So for finding the three consecutive multiples of 8, let's say that the first multiple be x. Then the second consecutive multiple of 8 will be x plus 8. And similarly, the third consecutive multiple of 8 will be x plus 8 which is x plus 16. So now we have three consecutive multiples of 8 in terms of x. Question says that their sum is 888. So let's make the equation and find the multiples. If we find the value of x, we can find all the multiples. So sum of the three multiples is 888. So x plus 8 plus x plus 16 equals 888. So this is going to be x plus x which is 3x plus 8 plus 16 is 24 equals 888. As we are finding x, we'll leave 3x on the left hand side and we'll transpose 24 to the right hand side. So 888 minus 24. 3x is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6 and this is 864. To find the value of x, we'll divide both sides by 3. So x will be 864 divided by 3. Let's divide 864 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 is remainder. This becomes 26. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 is remainder and this is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So x comes out to be 288. This is our first multiple. We got the value of x. We can find the other multiples too. So the second multiple will be x plus 8 which is 288 plus 8 which equals 296. And the third multiple of 8 will be x plus 16 which is 288 plus 16 which equals 304. These are the three consecutive multiples of 8. Let's write the final answer. The final answer will be the three consecutive multiples of 8 are 288, 296 and 304. So this is how by making an equation we find the three consecutive multiples of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.